Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix fingerprint sensor is not responding. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. If your Android phone's fingerprint sensor is not responding, there are several steps you can take to fix the issue. You can clean the sensor. Use a soft cloth to clean the fingerprint sensor and dirt, dust, and smudges can interfere with the sensor ability to read your fingerprint. Also, guys, you can restart your device. Restarting your device can something fix the issue. You can also check for the software updates. Sometimes updates may contain bug fixes or improvements that can resolve problems with your fingerprint scanners. Go to your device settings, then look for the software updates, and here I'm going to search here software updates. And here you can see system app updater, and you can see all system apps are updated. If there is an available update, download and install it. Guys, you can also restart your device in a safe mode to see if any third party apps are interfering with the fingerprint scanner, and if the fingerprint scanner works in the safe mode, then a third party app may be causing the issue. And also the last option you can do is clear the cache and data of the fingerprint scanner app, and also fix the fingerprint issue. So hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.